Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Heartful Cooking. Today we'll be preparing a pear and walnut tea time cake. You will find this cake quick to put together for an afternoon tea party or even a weekend breakfast treat. It is tender, moist, and amber colored, flecked with pears, and topped with a crispy butter, brown sugar, and walnut layer. So let's get started. As always, you will find the ingredients list in the description box below. With a whisk attachment, cream your butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Next, add your egg and vanilla and beat until smooth. In a separate bowl, mix your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and then whisk it together to combine. With a paddle attachment, add your flour mixture alternately with your sour cream, mixing just to blend after each addition. You will notice that your mixture looks very fluffy. With a spatula, fold in your diced pears. In a greased baking dish, spread the cake batter. Now let's prepare the walnut topping. In a separate medium-sized bowl, add packed brown sugar, ground cinnamon, walnuts, softened butter, and combine together. Evenly spread the walnut topping. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. The time you will bake your cake will depend on your oven, so keep an eye to see when the cake has browned on the top, and when you place a pick in the center, it comes out clean. And here you have it, a delicious pear and walnut tea time cake, perfectly moist and crunchy with a beautiful brown sugar and walnut topping. Give it a go and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Until next time, see you in my next video.